Hi guys, you all are welcome. Look at how colorful this drink is. So today we'll be making this colorful drink and we'll be using just 2 ingredients. Pardon my voice, the way it's sounding. I know I'm having cold, but it's okay. So you all are welcome to my channel once more. Thank you for your likes, comments. Thank you for always watching my videos. I really appreciate you all, and this is me wishing you a happy new year once more. So in today's video, I'll be using just 2 ingredients to do this very powerful drink. So I'll just be using watermelon and ginger. Yeah, so my watermelon was already half because I cut half out of it and I kept so that we'll eat it like that. So the remaining half is what I'm going to use to make this drink. Just go ahead, you peel your watermelon just as I did. Just cut it into tiny pieces so that you'll be able to blend smooth with the blender. And that is just what I'm doing. Just peel it and chop it into tiny pieces, okay? And you just put it into your blender for blending. Yeah, so I'm done with cutting my watermelon. The next thing now, I'll be using ginger. You can add as much ginger as you need. With the way I'm sounding, I really need enough ginger. You can add ginger and garlic if you want, but I added just ginger in this drink. So I went ahead, I washed my ginger and I cut it into tiny pieces as well, put it in the blender, and we'll be using just pure water. Yeah, I didn't use liquid milk, I used water. Put enough water to blend. You know, watermelon already have water, so it's still the same thing. Put enough water. After that, you just blend it, and that is what I'm doing. I'm just blending it. Blend it until it's smooth, then you stop. Yeah, so now I think it's okay. I can sieve it like this. After blending it, I will just bring it out and just get yourself a clean bowl and get a sieve. You can use a cloth sieve or you can use this kind of sieve, like a little basket sieve, and just turn in your blended watermelon and ginger, and you can just use a spoon just the way I'm doing. What we are trying to do, we are trying to just drain out the liquid. That is just what I'm doing here now. So this is the first step and this is the second one. Sorry, I had to like sieve it in 2 batches, and this is the second one. So yeah, just go ahead, use the spoon, you continue sieving it, and the juice is coming out of it. Oh my god, like this tasted so well. Watermelon and ginger is just so amazing. Like I said, you can add in garlic if you want, but I didn't use garlic for this. So yeah, look at the juice I got out of my watermelon and ginger. It was so much, and yeah, look at how colorful it look. I love the color so much. What do you think about this drink? So I just went ahead and I turned it into a jar, and yeah, look at how beautiful it looks. I present to you guys my watermelon and ginger juice. So I'll just go ahead and just pour in a little amount in a cup for you guys. You can go ahead and drop in some cube of ice if you want, but for me, I'm having cold, so I just went ahead and I drank it like that without putting ice inside because I'm already having cough, like as it's sounding in my voice. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you try it. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share if you can, and please leave a comment down below. What do you think about this recipe, watermelon and ginger? What do you think about it? And I hope you'll be trying it. I'll be seeing you in my next video. For now, it's Vanessa saying bye.